I got the next box of the Tsum Tsum Monthly Subscription from the Disney store. This one is for the month of December. I was out of town when I received this in the mail, so I'm opening it a little late, but I'm excited to see what's in there. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And we have the usual papers on the top. It looks like it's kind of a lime green tissue paper. It is for December. I wonder if it'll be holiday or not. And there's a Tsum Tsum sticker. I think that's it. So that's the size of that. Let's see what's in there. Well, it makes sense why it's green. It's the Princess and the Frog. Yay! A special collection of characters from Disney's The Princess and the Frog. And it looks like inside we have Mama Odie, Princess Tiana, and Prince Naveen. And it looks like he's in frog form. So let's take a look. I had no idea it was going to be Princess and the Frog. Oh, Princess Tiana. I'm so excited to have a Princess Tiana Tsum Tsum. She looks so cute. And it looks like it's actually her wedding outfit. Like she has the little veil on the top. Her green dress. The yellow underneath here. A little flower. So cute. I'm surprised that they have Princess Tiana as like one of the monthly subscription ones. 'Cause I haven't seen any Princess and the Frog ones before. Cool. So let's see what the next one. So we have Mama Odie. She's got her glasses, earrings. Yes, she doesn't have as much detail on the rest of her, but I guess she just wears that's pretty much what she wears. I wonder if she has, kind of wish she had like I think she has like a snake or something, but yeah, that's cute. So we have Mama Odie. And then for the third one, it's Prince Naveen as a frog. So, I don't know if he really looks like a frog to me. What do you think? But he does have his little bow tie. Like he's like a butterfly, has a bow tie. Or maybe it was a moth. So that's cute. He's got a couple spots here. And he's got his feet. So that was the three. Let's get them together. Yeah, I must admit this is like a set, I guess. But I kind of wish that these matched. Like we have, I guess I don't know. Because when she meets him in frog form, she's not in this outfit. So I kind of wish she was wearing that outfit maybe. So that would make sense why he's in frog form. Or like that he was in human form. So they'd be more of a little pair. Or if they were both frogs. And then we have Mama Odie. Yeah, I do kind of wish he was like in his outfit that matched Tiana's. Or that they were both frogs, maybe. I wonder if they'll have other Princess and the Frog ones. Because I really like Charlotte, or Lottie, her friend in pink, a lot. So I'd be excited to see if they ever came out with those as well. I actually Disney bounded as Charlotte on Dapper Day this year. But yeah, these are cute. Didn't expect them at all. Managed not to see any spoilers. Let me know what you think of them in the comments below. I think my favorites, obviously, of the three is Tiana. She's got so much detail and she's so cute. And I'm excited to have another princess like in my collection. Yay! So that was December. Haven't decided if I'm going to continue the monthly subscription next year or not yet. I'll have to think about it. But it's been pretty exciting to get it this year. This is the last one of the year. So it was pretty cool. I think it's hard to pick a favorite from the year. Maybe I'll do a video showing them all together. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to let me know what you thought of the set in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see when we post new videos. And if you click on the little bell, it'll actually it'll give you notifications as well. Thanks for watching. Bye. Go dig a little deeper. Let me know what you thought.